Oh,
What?
hide and seek.
Hide and seek?
Yes, you're the seeker. You gotta close your eyes or
Okay.
close your eyes.
Okay, I close my eyes. Where are you?
Hey,
Where are you?
I said, close your eyes, right? Close your eyes.
Yes.
Close your eyes.
Where are you?
Hey, I'm not ready. Okay, I'm ready.
Where are you? Where are you? Oh. Oh. Where are you? Where are you? Princess Athena, where are you? Huh? Oh. Where are you? Oh, in the terrace. My God. Oh yeah, I got you.
I'm the seeker. I'm gonna go there. Get ready to hide. Okay, say ready. Your channels.
Okay. Wait. I'm not ready. Wait.
Okay, you're not ready. I know.
Wait. Wait.
Are you a dumbass? Are you ready?
Yes.
Where are you? Are you there? Oh, and there is. Hey. Boom!
Gotcha. Where are you?
Followers, can you please say?
Where are you?
Oh no.
Princess Athena, where are you?
I don't know.
Where are you?
Oh my God, she
Oh, in the terrace.
knows me.
My God.
She knows me.
Oh yeah, I got you.
You found me! Guys, I'm the seeker now.
Wait. I'm not ready.
Okay, you're not ready, I know. Oh.
Wait.
Oh, I forgot. This is a water tank, guys.
Wait.
Thank you, guys.
Wait.
Why you still not hiding there? Are you a dumbass? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Where are you? Are you there? Oh. And the terrace. Hey. Okay. Boo! Oh. I think in the carpet. Boom!
Gotcha.
Bye-bye, guys.
Uy, madisgrasya ka na. May remembrance na ako guys. Tumbler. Dadalhin namin to sa buhangin. Tapos ibabao namin. Bahala na kayo kung paano nyo makita ito. Meron naman itong tanda o kung saan nyo dapat hanapin. Kita-kits na lang bukas guys. Punta kami sa tabing dagat. Punta kami sa tabing dagat. Yung ngayon, 6:45 oras. So nag-exit na lang kami. Kasi ayaw gumaan yung yung elevator Ito ang breakfast namin ay alas 7. Yan sa Coast and Bar. Coast and Bar yata ito Ay, Salt and Sea Restaurant pala to. Hindi pala dito. Sa dagat. Ito yung Salt and Bar Restaurant. Diyan kami magbe-breakfast. Pero mamaya pala 7. Pero, huwag mo iwan. Huwag mo iwan. Okay lang yun. Okay. Guys, lakad-lakad tayo guys. Tahimik talaga ng kalikasan, no?
Ugly plant na naman. Lala. Ugly plant. May ugly plant.
Lakad tayo guys. Sumama event. Ano, sumama event guys, oh. Oh. Wow, maganda magpa-picture dito. Oh, nak, enjoy ka na? Ina, enjoy ka ba?
Ayan, big wave! Big wave! Big wave!
Guys, ayun si anak ko. Oh. Mamaya guys, magpapamani hunt ako. Kain na tayo guys. Tina, kain na. Tina, kain na na. Oh. Ha? Yung pusa?
Ito na po. Ito na po. Ito na po.
Ko dito para sa money hunt. Yan na kasama ito.
Ay, sa ano?
Money hunt tayo na.
Gusto ko ng ano?
Oh, money hunt. Ito guys ha. Siyempre, napakaganda ng resort na to. Ito, 1,000. Dito ko yun ilalagay guys.
Sana yung alubid, yung aliyo ng purple, ano,
Yan.
makikita nito.
Diba? Nakita nyo guys?
Nito.
Oh,
Uy.
dyan lang yan. So, una kasi para money hunt yan eh. Para sa susunod na may pumunta dito, pag kinuha nila yun, may makikita sila dyan. Meron silang money gift. Diba? Okay ba? Ay!
Bago maligo.
Guys, si Athena oh, anak ko. Enjoy na enjoy yan. Grabe. Woo!
Wuk ka palang dyan. Wuk.
Guys. So nga pala, yung ano, update na lang kayo sa YouTube channel ni Princess Athena. Kasi doon nyo makikita kung saan niya nilagay yung ano, yung money hunt.
I want 1K. I want 1K, bro. Subscribe na kayo.
Guys, sarap.
You're wearing a pink.
Dito na kayo nak ha.
Okay.
Ingat kayo dyan.
Okay lang kami. Okay
Oh,
lang
okay.
kami. Hi, Mom. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look, 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 look. What is he doing?
So guys,
Keep your shell, okay? Remember that. Okay, now keep this. Remember.
natin nakising po nila. Diyan guys. Yan.
Tara na, sige di napapalamig.
Ngak. Ito, ulitin natin.
Da, da, da. Full
Guys!
Full bar.
Ha?
Full bar. Ano full bar?
Ang gano? Oreo La Union. Full bar. Dito pala full bar. Meron dito pa.
Wala, nagsisinag yung isa.
Hey guys, enjoy!
Maawa ko yung ano, siyempre. Guys, kung paano naman? Ah! Private pala doon?
Oo.
Bawal pala doon. Yung mga ano lang nakatira doon sa iPad.
Oo nga.
Sa iPad. Food court.
Impress na ako, Tumblr oh. Diba? Bye Oreo! Nak! Nawala na. Nawala yung ano, yung bonnet mo. Guys, hindi talaga namin makita yung bonnet ni Ate Ina. Wala na.
Blacky.
Bro. Tama. Bili tayo ng daing mamaya. Ayun yung anak ko kumakain. Ako naman, ito, bibili tayo ng tuyo na pasalubong. Guys. Guys, ang daing. Saka, daing. Tuyo. Bumili ako kopya, saka Sprite. Tapos yun, daing bagoong, saka yung ano, kami. Yan. Anak.